welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like this video. So today we're working on a 2012 Audi A6. So they went and got their check engine light check, and it was saying that they need to change the thermostat. So when they called me, I told them, hey, the thermostat is integrated into the water pump housing that the water pump is attached to, so you might as well just get the whole entire housing. That way, we don't do one part, and then have to go back in there to do the water pump. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm not gonna do a lot of talking, is I'm gonna show you what I took off. This is only gonna work on this type of vehicle that the intake is facing towards the driver's side. A lot of times these engines are facing forward towards the radiators. That way you have to remove the intake manifold. So in this case you don't have to. So all you have to do is remove the inlet tube, air duct tube, throttle body, the bracket, and on most cases these cars have like a small bracket that's attached to here to there. Like somebody already took it off at one time, but the water pump is right down there where I'm pointing to, where my finger's at, if you can see. But I went ahead and just moved all the wire harness over to that side. That way it's out the way, and all I got to do is just get in there, remove this heater hose, this one that's attached to the water pump, and then they have a cover on the back that has the belt that drives the water pump. So on that case, this is what it would look like. I haven't taken it out the bag, but once I take it out the bag, I'll show you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to set this camera up somewhere where I can kind of give you a more in-depth video on how to remove it. If not, then I'll show you once I get it off. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright, so we got the heater hoses off, the water pump right here, and it's another hose that goes right here. We just moved it off to the side, and this is your water pump, and then that is the belt that drives the water pump right here. So the water pump has about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4. I don't see any other bolts down there, so I'm gonna try to do this while holding the camera. Let me see if I can manage somewhere. Give me a second. Them hiding. Alright, we got 2 back there. Probably got to get a longer extension to get the y'all. So my camera kind of ran out of memory when I was getting these last 2 bolts right here out of. So, and then once you get those bolts out, this kind of loosens up, and then you can gradually slide the belt off, which is right there. And we're gonna check it, make sure it's all good. It doesn't look like it's all worn. Looks like somebody probably already changed it at one time. Look kind of good condition. So, all right. If you ever had to change the knock sensor, this is exactly what you would have to do. You would have to remove the water pump to change the knock sensor, and you must torque it to spec, because the dealer be talking about the knock sensor be too tight, which I don't understand how it's throwing a code, or which I seen it before on one of the guys in the shop that was working on the car, but that's that. We're gonna keep going on that, and let me get this other one prepped for y'all. Stay tuned. All right, make sure you remove the other sensor out of the other water pump and install it with a new O-ring, and then it comes with this new T and 2 new O-rings, and you're gonna insert it right here back into the oil cooler down there on the side. Remove this, so right here, what I'm pointing to. All right, so we're gonna get this installed and back on. So that's it. Stick with me. All right, so we got the belt back on, which is right here. I went ahead and installed these 3 bolts right here. Still have these 2 in the corner that I gotta put in. So just be careful when putting them in, because they in a little tight spot. So your magnet. Put them in there. I'll have to go ham with these bolts. All right. Then you can put your cover on right here. My hand is in the way, I'm sorry. Two of them. I dropped one of them. I'm gonna take one out, so I'll get it in a little bit. Go ahead and reconnect this hose at the bottom. So make sure snake snap in your hair clip like that. this part, which we need to change the O-ring on. And this one's there right here. Come with silver in the bags. Let's try this one. All right. This one goes down here. That's pretty much it, guys, and that's how you install a water pump on a 2012 Audi A6. This will work for the Volvos and the Jettas, the Passats. So I hope this helped you out in any kind of way. Thank y'all for sticking around, watching the video for this long, and subscribe to the channel, and we out.